Warning, this video contains extremely graphic footage of deadly spiders being very sneaky. I have no commercial connections to any of the brands you see in this video. Well, hello, I've got a set of gloves there. I've got a pair of those. I've got this kooky looking tool like that. I've got a can of spray that looks like that. And I've also got Mr. Hammer. Maybe you know which way this video is headed. Well, this video is a bit of a strange one. I got a bit of a shock and surprise. I moved my car just up one space at our place, and last night I've noticed some very horrible activity under there. I'm at the rear of my car looking forwards, and I want you to take a very close look at this here and also that one there. You can see them just shining in the light. I believe that's Redback Spider web that they drop down to the ground to catch their prey. And as I look up there, I do believe I'm seeing the typical mangled messy web that Redback spiders make. But the problem is I cannot see the spider. This web activity is very fresh. I would normally have missed this, but what I saw was this leaf dangling here that made me take a closer look. So for me, this is a bit of an unusual one. I'm only making a point of it because, well, put it this way, I've never seen this sort of activity before. My home has had so many redback spiders. And to give you some perspective of where this is in relation to another spot where I found a redback spider, those pile of bricks there was where I found a redback. And it wasn't that long ago. Well, for me, the nightmare just continues. And I'll be quite honest here, this is the last thing I wanted to be doing today. It is a stupidly hot day here today. It's a 38 degree Celsius day. What's that, 100 degrees Fahrenheit? I hope I'm right there. What am I going to do here? Okay, one part of me says just get some Mortine, that fast knockdown stuff that I've used before, spray it up there and hopefully the body will drop dead. I want to see the dead spider, okay? I don't want to be driving around with that spider, attached to the car. From what I've worked out, they can reinfest areas. From what I've seen in my backyard, within 2 months, you get a full reinfestation. If you remove all the spiders and you think you've got them all, they come back hard, they come back fast, and in fact, I think they come back worse than before. I'm going to use the camera here to try and see if I can get any footage. I just want to see if I can see the spider. They are nocturnal spiders, so it's not going to want to be out in the open in the daylight. I'm also going to try and lure the spider by putting some crickets in its web. But mind you, that's no guarantee of making the spider show up. I'm over it. I am just finding so many redbacks here. I'm totally over it. Okay, I'll try the iPhone camera first. Okay, I'm on my camera phone here. It's going to be all wonky donkey because I'm underneath here. And I'm just trying to see if I can see the spider. I don't want to get caught in the web because the thing's going to come out and give me a nasty nipper. But I'll be honest here, I'm not exactly seeing what I want to see, which does worry me. I'm hoping to see a black body with a red stripe, okay, and that's going to be a female redback spider. I can see plenty of web and possibly something there that's been eaten, but the spider's not jumping out at me, not from what I see on camera. Just trying to focus on something a little bit further up in the body there. I'm just carefully looking around the exhaust pipe there because I know these spiders love to get onto warm metallic things. Well, it seemed like a smart idea, but I don't think I saw any spider using the camera on my phone. Okay, I've attached a live cricket to a set of tweezers here. Maybe that's going to lure the spider for me. And it's really a matter of me putting this somewhere I can stimulate one of those pieces of web going down to the ground. That should do the trick. Now to help me here, I will back the light off because I know these spiders don't like light. And with the trap set, it's sort of like a game of fishing. I'm fishing for a redback spider. There's absolutely no guarantee about this. I've never done anything like this before. I might have been better off doing this at night, but I'm not crawling under my car at night with a redback spider. They could pounce on me at any moment. Okay, the magic is about to happen. The redback has appeared. I'm very excited. She's just hauled up there. I put the light back on her. Wow, this is going to be interesting. There we go. It's a medium-sized female. It came running very fast to that spot there and is just checking out what's going on. The cricket is there. It is actually still alive. It just has breaks every now and then, and when it doesn't move, I think the spider gets very excited. The spider has just crawled down a little bit further. Sorry for the silhouette there, but I think it looks creepy like that. I think the money shot is going to be on the cricket, so it might be best to stay on it. Well, the spider is just above frame. It's just about to come down to be seen. Oh yeah, it's on the sticky web. Oh, love that sticky web. It's rapidly descending again. Whoa, what's it doing? Oh, it's doing its thing. Oh yeah, I like it a lot. Okay, my spider home, we've seen that activity a lot, haven't we? There it is doing its webby thing, capturing the cricket there, although I've captured the cricket, haven't I? I don't think this Redback's worked that out yet. Oh, this is a freakish video, I tell you. I've never done this before. And it may help people who've got the same problem as me. Mind you, I've never seen such an infestation at our place, and I've proved that video after video. Look at that, hey? Don't you just love the way these spiders work? It's so beautiful in the way they kill. I'm right up very close to the cricket there. Ah, that is gold. G-O-L-D with a capital G. I'll tell you what, it didn't take very long for Mrs. Redback to come down to get her feed, so she may have been hungry, like I keep saying. I feel she's only been here for a short period of time. I think at night time they sort of mooch around and find new places to live, and she's sort of headed back up there out of light. She's saying, what are these metal things here? I've never seen that before. Mum never taught me about those. Well, Lovey, you're dealing with someone a bit different here. Mrs. Redback, as lovely as you are, and you can see she's confused by the tweezers there. I'm sorry, but the love affair is soon going to be over. Okay, on the count of one kangaroo. One kangaroo. Got her. Oh, and she's not happy. Oh, she's going for a run there. She's going for a run after doing another spray. Oh, very sad to see, but I don't want these spiders around, especially inside my car. And for what I've worked out, that Mortine one-shot rapid kill tends to work nice and quick. And very sadly, I need to report, rest in peace, Mrs. Cricket. She's passed away because she's been sprayed. And what I've noticed with the redbacks, when they get sprayed with that spray, something goes weird with their poopy area where the web's made. It sort of does strange things. I know my audience is going to like that. And I don't think she's ever going to come back to life. Well, I'm looking down there at one dead female redback spider, one who thought it was going to use my car as its home. Now, this car was up for a service very soon, in the month of February 2017. Imagine if a service technician had put their hand up there. What are they going to find? A redback spider, and they're going to say, hey, what's going on at your place? What's going on? I'm saying, well, I'm sorry, but our place is infested with redback spiders. I'll show you proof, and I'll send them to the computer, and I'll say, hey, I'm that idiot on YouTube. And I'll say, you spider killer, you horrible person, and they'll probably start having a go at me. But hopefully in this video we have learnt something. Curious sort of place to be, because you know, she would live up in the car, and if I did drive the car around, wherever I go overnight, she's just going to drop webs down and catch whoever's passing by. You can see the mechanism they use. It's a very brilliant mechanism to catch things, isn't it? I'm quite surprised it actually worked during the daylight, because I know the redback spiders are very reclusive nighttime spiders. It's extremely rare to see redback spider out during the day. I've got literally thousands of them around me, and you really got to go hunting for them to see them, okay? I have no commercial connections to this product here. I dare say what I could have done, instead of using the bug as a bit of a lure and a bait, was I could have gone up there and sprayed, and maybe the spider would have dropped down, but often spiders will run further up into whatever you've sprayed. I think what you'd like to do is, when you do this, you like to see the dead spider. I certainly like to see the dead spider. Very different spider video from me, very different. And now that I see that I can actually fish for these spiders like this, maybe I've set up some new sport in Australia. Well, Mrs. Redback's got those shivering, dithering legs. But don't worry, boys and girls, there's millions of her out in my backyard. I know, let's give Mr. Hammer a run. Okay, Mrs. Redback, it's good night, sister, in a very different way. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Hammer's lost his head over that one. Better leave this video here, as always. Thanks for watching, and it is damn hot today. Bye for now.